Hi and welcome back to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today we're celebrating 200,000 subscribers. In the last 3 or 4 months we've increased the subscriber base by 75,000. So it's increasing exponentially, so thank you all for joining me. And I thought I'd dress up for the occasion and wear my new custom tailored shirt that was sent to me by the team of Indochino. Indochino has recently launched into Australia and they offer free shipping in Australia, US and Canada, and thanks to them today's video is possible. So make sure you check out the link in the description below. They do custom tailored suits, shirts and chinos. But let's get on to the video itself. And the first 2 shots videos that I've done, which I'll leave a link to up here, I've had over 500,000 views on each video. People seem to like it. People seem to like watching me drink shots on camera. Me a little less so, but I'll do it for you guys. And I'm going to start off with the Nutty Irishman, which is nice and simple. Actually, I think the first shots video I did, everyone's sort of come to the conclusion that I really love Baileys because all the shots were including Baileys. Pretty much the same as this one. I don't like Baileys. It just makes it so that they're not crazy potent. And it means I can do a couple of them. A few, as you can see. So, Nutty Irishman, 2/3 of Frangelico. For those who don't know, it's a hazelnut liqueur and it's delicious. And then layer on Bailey's Irish Cream. And that's a Nutty Irishman. And of course, make sure you stick around to the end because that's when it's going to get exciting and I'll actually run through and do a tasting of these shots and let you know how they go, and that's when the video is going to get a little bit more interesting. Next up, Buttery Nipple. So this is Butterscotch Schnapps, also known as a cowboy cocksucker here in Australia. Same as the last one, 2/3 Butterscotch Schnapps, and layer on the remaining 1/3 of Baileys. So if you're using a pour spout, you can probably just pour it without the spoon, but it helps. And the different densities of the liqueurs means that you can float it on top. I'll actually leave a link to a chart with the different densities of different liqueurs so you can work out what layers on what. Okay, so the next one we've got is a Beam Me Up SCOTTY. So this is coffee liqueur, Kahlua, just equal parts roughly. So coffee liqueur, Kahlua, followed by banana liqueur. Just use a spoon so it will gently layer on top. And these Gifford liqueurs, that is delicious. And then layered Baileys on top of the banana. And the next one is the BAZOOKA Joe. Apparently BAZOOKA Joe is a flavoured bubblegum. I'm not familiar with that here in Australia. If anyone else is, let me know in the comments below. I'm just going to free pour this one and it's shake it. You can build it straight into the shot glass if you want, but I prefer it chilled. So just equal parts of Baileys, banana liqueur. So when you're doing shaken shots, they're best served for multiple people because trying to measure it out accurately and then strain it into a shot glass doesn't always work that well. Blue Curacao. Very rough measurements, I know. Give it a real quick shake. Smells like banana. And next we have another shaken shot, which is the Screaming Orgasm. Same again, equal parts. I'm going to free pour Baileys, your choice of coffee liqueur. I'm using Kahlua, Amaretto, I normally recommend measuring every time you make a cocktail, but I'm just making shots, so. And vodka. So with Bailey's, Kahlua, Amaretto, and vodka. And then give it a quick shake. Steve seems sad. Real quick shake, and strain into your shot glass. On to shot number 6, the A.B.C. So Amaretto, Bailey's, and Cognac. Again, it's a layered shot. So 1/3 of Amaretto. Layer on top the Bailey's. Didn't work at all. And then your Cognac. This technically is a French brandy. So the person behind the camera keeps saying that I'm not overly excited with doing this video, but I guess that's just because I've got this sense of impending doom about to come to when I'm going to drink these shots. So I apologize. I'll get excited soon. The next drink is called a peanut butter jelly, which is Chambord and Frangelico. Equal parts, half Chambord, black raspberry liqueur, and Frangelico hazelnut liqueur. There's so much sugar in all these shots. And the last one, a pickleback. Your choice of Irish whiskey. Chased with pickle juice. Oh, still. So they have 8 tasty shooter recipes. Let me know in the comments below which one you would prefer, if any at all. They have the Nutty Irishman. Cheers. Pretty tasty, sweet, bit of hazelnut coming through, and it's going to be very similar to this one though. So the buttery nipple. Cheers. These first 2 shots are shots that you order when you don't actually want to have a shot. Really easy to drink, low ABV. Just I don't recommend drinking them with beer or anything like that. You get the creaminess of the Baileys. Now the Beam Me Up Scotty. A little bit more potent. The banana liqueur. I love the flavour of the banana liqueur. That works really well. And next, the Bazooka Joe, which supposedly tastes like bubblegum, maybe. Ooh, that's quite nice. I've never tried the bubblegum, but it's what I imagine the bubblegum would taste like, if that makes sense. What? No, it tastes like bubblegum, but I haven't tried that particular bubblegum before. And next, it's time to have a screaming orgasm. Just that little bit of vodka that was in that steps up the intensity. Now the A.B.C, Amaretto, Bailey's, Cognac. This is going to be a little bit stronger again. Get some nuttiness or some almond notes for the Amaretto. Cheers. Definitely the most potent one so far. That cognac floating on top. Starting to mix all that Baileys. Now I know there's a few different ABC shots out there. Back in my day, I remember ABC being like Absinthe, Bacardi 151, and Chartreuse. 100% was not going to do that on video. That's a horrible shot. Horrible. Next, the peanut butter jelly. Chambord and Frangelico. Cheers. Reminds me, well, it doesn't have the Baileys on top, but it reminds me of a jam donut. Just the Chambord, that sweet raspberry flavour. Quite pleasant. And please remember, guys, don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional. It's starting to hit me now. All right, time for a pickleback. Straight whiskey and a shot of pickle juice. Cheers. I've had them before. They're not pleasant. They're not as bad unless you've had 7 Baileys shots beforehand, and then it's really horrible. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as my partner is behind the camera. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell button, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. What did I put in it?
Curacao, banana, and Kahlua.
Yeah, that's wrong.
What's that?
So good.
That looks like a monster vomiting.
Can you see that on camera?
Monster vomit? No. That looks gross.
That is sweet. Real sweet. Okay, back to
The actual menu?
back to the actual menu.